In a world where we are constantly bombarded with negative news and stress, it can be easy to lose sight of the good things we have in our lives. But did you know that practicing gratitude can actually improve your overall happiness and well-being? According to recent studies, cultivating a sense of gratitude can boost positive emotions, increase resilience to stress, and even improve physical health. So why aren't more people talking about this powerful tool for personal growth? One reason may be that gratitude is often seen as a passive emotion, something we experience when good things happen to us. But in reality, gratitude is an active practice that requires intentional effort and mindfulness. To start practicing gratitude, try keeping a daily journal where you reflect on 3 things you are thankful for each day. These can be big or small things, like a supportive friend, a delicious meal, or a beautiful sunset. The key is to focus on the positive aspects of your life and take time to appreciate them. Another way to cultivate gratitude is to express it to others. Take time to thank the people in your life who make a difference, whether it's a kind neighbor or a hardworking coworker. Not only will this help you build stronger relationships, but it will also reinforce the positive impact that gratitude can have on your life. It's worth noting that gratitude isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people may find that writing in a journal works best for them, while others may prefer to verbally express their appreciation. The key is to find what works for you and make gratitude a regular part of your routine. So why does gratitude have such a powerful effect on our well-being? One theory is that it helps shift our focus from negative thoughts and emotions to positive ones. By actively seeking out the good things in our lives, we can retrain our brains to look for the positive rather than the negative. Additionally, expressing gratitude has been shown to increase levels of the hormone dopamine, which is associated with feelings of pleasure and reward. This can help boost our motivation and energy levels, making it easier to tackle challenges and pursue our goals. Of course, practicing gratitude isn't a magic cure for all of life's problems. But by incorporating this simple practice into your daily routine, you may find that you feel more positive, resilient, and fulfilled. So the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take a moment to reflect on the things you are thankful for. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make in your overall well-being. In conclusion, gratitude is a powerful tool that can help us improve our happiness and well-being. By actively seeking out the good things in our lives and expressing appreciation for them, we can shift our focus to the positive and cultivate a sense of resilience in the face of stress and adversity. So why not give it a try and see how a little bit of gratitude can transform your life? Now, try to answer all of the following questions. What are some benefits of practicing gratitude? Why is it important to focus on the positive aspects of our lives? How can we show appreciation for the people in our lives? Do you think that gratitude is an effective tool for personal growth? Why or why not? In your opinion, what is the best way to cultivate a sense of gratitude in your daily life?